Remove outliers from pandas dataframe Python. I have a code that creates a dataframe using pandas. This prints out which is great, but I know there are outliers in this data that I want removed, so I created this dataframe below to point them out. This prints out in the example of my data you can't see it, but there are maybe 300 outliers and I want to remove them without messing with the original dataframe and then plot them together as a compression. My question is this: so instead of printing out false/true, how can I just eliminate the outliers that are true? So I can eventually plot them in the same graph for a comparison. Codes I have already tried. Both of these doesn't work. They returns the same amount of data points as my original dataframe. However, I know that if it removed the outliers, the amount of points would be less than the original.
It seems you need Boolean indexing with for invert condition, because need filter only not outliers rows, and drop outliers.
If you want to